Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Han Phan. In this video, I'm going to show you string method in Python object-oriented programming. When you define a class, you can add a string method. The string method allows you to convert a meaningless object ID into a string of your definition. So you can define the string that you want to return here when the string method is called. In this case, I'm just printing the current state of the objects of this class, and I need to return it. Down here, I have an example where I can just call the print method of Python and then passing in the object. When I'm doing this, the print method will print the return string from the string method of this class student. And this is the output. That's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one. Goodbye.